Hey loves, in today's video I'll be showing you how I get through my process after having a protective style in for over 3 months, and how I just managed to detangle my hair even though it looks like a bird's nest, and it turned out great, so stay tuned for that. So these are the products that I use. It's the pre-shampoo by African Pride. Go get these, I promise you. You'll learn to love your hair. And you should love your hair regardless. But of course, this is a test. This is not nothing to play with. And I also recommend you being in a good mood, because a lot of us are very impatient. We're trying to get to the next hairstyle, and we don't take time out for our hair. But you should pick some time out in your day or in your schedule to make time for your hair so that you can get the most out of it. So here I'm just coating each section because I do go in like very small sections, and I just coat them really thickly with the pre-poo. And what that does is give me so much slip, and it's super slimy. So when I'm ready to detangle it, it's like ready to go. Back in the day, we used to use conditioner to detangle our hair, but times have advanced so much where we don't need to use conditioner, and we just need to take our time, find the right products, which this is like just from experience, because over the years I have made some of the same mistakes, cutting my hair off, starting over. And so this is 4 years of growth, because I did do a big chop back in August of 2018. And I plan on keeping my hair from here on out. Glad that I did find this product when I did, because I am also natural and my daughter is as well. And as much as I don't wear my natural hair out, I do definitely believe in taking care of my hair. So guys, if you're interested in seeing like the final look, just stay tuned to the end and you'll see me get all of this hair as sleek as possible.